Cupra Tour 2024 promotion India Paddle Open is seeing a lot of upcoming Indian players when we talk about paddle, and two of them are here with me, Vaibhavi and Janai. Let's start with the tournament. You've of course played a match. Hard luck you lost, but what do you think about the tournament here?
It's an incredible tournament. First international FIP tournament coming to India. Some of the best players in the world are here. So it's a great opportunity. We lost, but it's a learning process. So good to be here.
Janai, your first thoughts, if I can ask about the tournament.
Yeah, like Vaibhavi said, incredible opportunity for all Indian players. I know paddle is just starting, the movement has just started in India, so this is a great opportunity to really establish ourselves in the paddle world, and I think the university and the organizers have done a great job with the tournament. So we were really excited to be here. We had a tough first match, but we learn and we move on.
Yeah, taking away from what Janai said, I wanted to ask you about the Bennett University as well, the tournament where it's taking place under one roof, some of the top paddle players. What do you think? How have the interactions been for you?
This is my first time playing paddle in Delhi. I've played tennis here before, but it's an incredible university, such a beautiful campus, and they have multiple other sports as well. But love to play paddle here, and hope to keep playing and coming back as well.
And the both of you said that it was your first match, of course, a tough match. But if I can ask you, what have been your learnings from this particular match? What would you say?
I think, they've been playing paddle for a while. We're just getting started. So, need to play more tournaments and more training, technical training as well. So, we'll get there soon.
And Janai, what do you think about the sport of paddle? What was it that attracted you the most about this sport that you chose to start playing it?
We were both tennis players, so a lot of the Indian players you see have a background of either tennis or squash. I'm 32 now, so to get back into sport at this age, paddle was just a very good and easy option. And now we see courts all over Mumbai, all over Delhi, Bangalore. So, it's a great socializing sport as well. That's how I originally started. But now, we went to Bali, now we're in Delhi. So, we're really getting back into the competitive scene. So, it's been great. It's a great sport. It's one of the fastest growing sports, and for very good reason.
And do you have a favorite paddle player?
For me, it's Delphi Bria. I really love her style, and she plays an attacking, and her defense is also pretty solid. So, one of Argentina's best players.
And what about you?
I like Bia Gonzalez.
That's Delphi's partner. Yeah, makes sense.
Match.
Exactly.
Extremely aggressive. She's someone to really learn from, I guess. Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, and wish you all the very best for all the future tournaments that you play in
Thank you
paddle.
so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Thank you.
Thank you.